Hello everybody, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. I'm about to show you a trick if you own an EGMP vehicle, EV6, Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6, GV60, even EV9. If you want to know the trick to use when to charge your car on a Tesla wall connector, this is what I'm about to do, okay? Alright, so I'm about to get my Tesla universal wall connector. Open the door, plug it in, and you will hear charging unsuccessful.
Charging unsuccessful.
All right, unplug and plug it back in. And there you go.
Charging started.
And that's what happens. And it will start charging.